bounds.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Mathematics Education, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. With me, Emilia Ardhiana W, and me, Citra Cahyaning P. Let us tell you about differentiation and maple application.
Here, we will introduce one of the computer software for mathematics. Its name, Maple. Maple is one of the computer software that can be used to help solve various mathematical problems. Immediately, we click the Maple icon on the Windows screen to open the Maple. Please waiting. After opening, this is the first display on Maple. This Maple can be used to solve various problems in mathematics, such as calculus, which are integral, derivative. Besides, there are also programming, natural science, and then linear algebra, and there is so many. However, we only choose one of them, which is derivative. Let's knowing about differential or derivative. Differential refers to infinitesimal differences or to the derivatives of function. The term is used in various branches of mathematics such as calculus, differential geometry, algebraic geometry, and algebraic topology. Let's see the formula of differential. The first is, if y is equal to u plus minus v, so the differential of y is equal to u xn plus minus v xn. The second is, if y is equal to k times u, which is k is constant, so the differential of y is equal to k times u xn. The third is, if y is equal to u times v, so the differential of y is equal to u xn times v plus u times v xn. The fourth is, if y is equal to u divided by v, so the differential of y is equal to u xn times v minus u times v xn divided by v the power of 2. And the last is, if y is equal to u the power of n, so the differential of y is equal to n times u the power of n minus 1 times u xn.
Okay, next, as an example, if it is known that a function f(x), yes, the example is equal to 3 times the power of 3 plus x the power of 2 plus x minus 6. So, to complete the example problem, we have to use Maple, and we have to use the new worksheet feature, because if we use new document, we need to add symbol to the taskbar one by one. So to simplify the work, we recommended to using new worksheet. Okay, to enter this function in Maple, it should be note the syntax as follows. Okay, input the function into the Maple. First, click fx, colon is the same as, opening parenthesis, click 3 times x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6 and close parenthesis and give the last syntax like this, and then press enter, and then choose function definition and click OK. And then on the right side, the input syntax result will appear. And then input the syntax div, open parenthesis, and give fx, comma, x and close parenthesis and give the last syntax, and then enter. Okay, why we use x after the function fx? This means that the function is derived from x. Okay, now input the div syntax, open parenthesis, fx, comma, x, close parenthesis, and give the last syntax like this and enter. Okay, from these two syntax we can conclude that we will get the final derivative of the function with a small div with the syntax. The conclusion will be more efficient if we use the div with small syntax. Besides the method, there are other methods that can be used to find derivative of a function. First, click the Tools menu above. Then, click the Tutors menu. Select the list of methods with the name variable single calculus because there is only one variable x. The menu option will appear again. Then click the differentiation method.
Wait a while until the bar appears like this. After that, enter the function in the function column. Then click Start. The function form that we enter will appear. Then click All Steps to find out all the steps derived from the function. After that, click Close. Then the steps and results will appear in the worksheet. We can see the difference between these two methods. The first method helps us determine the final results directly and needs to know the syntax, while for the second, we can find out the steps to reduce the function. So, if you forget the syntax, you can use the second method.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and try our quiz in the link below. Dadah! Don't forget to like, share, and try our quiz in link below. Ya, betul. Jangan dilihat teman-teman ya, maling ngomongin maling, saya maling.
Start rekam.
No.
Gak apa-apa Benny sini.
Arane sok sibuk gak saya langsung. Aja dicontoh kita tuh. Isi aku ini. Ayo. Ayo tadi bilang mau hitungin.
Wes start rekam.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and
Wes.
Lama.
Gak apa-apa jadi sih wes.
1, 2, 3.
Gak apa-apa.
Ke peteng mil.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and try in the link below. Dadah!
Apa artinya, Bang?